Hello, in this video we'll try to download the shapefile of any country for free which is used for GIS application. To do that we will go to Google and just type the GIS shapefile download. Once you click on the option, then we will go with the data, select the country which you are interested in. I'm searching for India, and then the type of data, like for example we have administrative area, inland water, roads and all. I'm interested in this part, and here it says that the format is in zip file. Once you click on download option, it will be automatically downloaded, but I will now go to the download option. Here I have, and already I have the extraction that you have to extract it because it's easier to upload to add in QGIS. Now let's go to QGIS. We will go to add layer, then it's a vector data, and I will select the location where I have saved my file. Now I will open and add, then close. From here, right click, then go to attribute table. First of all, I'm searching for the state of Maharashtra. So for that, I will go with aim. Here is Maharashtra, and after Maharashtra, I will be searching for Kolhapur, which is a district. Here it is. Then after Kolhapur, I will be looking for the taluka. This is Kolhapur taluka. Now, if you can see, here is the taluka is already selected. Now, how to extract that our state area from the entire map of India? Just right click, go to export, then save selected feature as. We will give it any name. For example, I will give a name of Kolhapur, and where you want to save it, I will save it as first of all I have to change it from CSV file to SV shapefile, and then we will save it in the desktop. So I will give it a name like, then it is in the shapefile. Just now zoom to layer, we have it. So instead we have one shapefile over here, you can see, and we will just select all of them, then compress it. Right click, then compress to a zip file. We will have it into the zip file for further studies.